Hello children, welcome back to class 3. Today I am going to tell about use of more and most with adjectives. Student, more and most are generally used to form comparative and superlative degree. So let's understand it in details. When the positive means adjective is long is a word of two or more syllables. We add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degree. In other words, you can say an adjective with more than two syllables is changed into comparative by adding more and superlative by adding most to the positive degree. Understood? जब जब किसी भी एडजेक्टिव में दो या दो से अधिक सिलेबल्स हो तो वहाँ कंपैरेटिव बनाने एडजेक्टिव को कंपैरेटिव बनाने के लिए मोर और सुपरलेटिव बनाने के लिए हम मोस्ट का यूज़ करते हैं. स्टूडेंट, बिफोर मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट you should know about syllables. Syllable is a word or a part of word with vowel sound, and every word must contain a vowel. You know vowel? Vowel are 5: A, E, I, O, U. Student, when you pronounce any words like any long words like beautiful, difficult, colorful, you will find there are more than two vowel sound. As I pronounce these words by chopping into part: beautiful, difficult. You can see I chopped each word into three parts. So in each word there are three syllables. It means there are more than two vowel sound, and these words are long adjectives. So to change these adjectives into comparative and superlative, we have to use more and most before these adjectives. So student, in this way you can form long adjectives in comparative and superlative degree easily. Now let's see the examples. Comparative, more beautiful, more difficult. Superlative, most beautiful, most difficult. There are some points to remember here for you. Then is used after the comparative degree. And second one is the is used before superlative degree. As example, the first sum is more difficult than second sum. Sneha is the most beautiful girl. You can heard I used then after comparative degree and the before superlative degree. Understood? I hope now you will be able to form comparative and superlative degree by using more and most before adjective. Thank you.